Dear viewers, greetings of the day. I welcome you in the new video session on education reform. As you know, we regularly launch videos on following: 1. Solar clock application in decision making on day-to-day problems. 2. Use of Shagun Soft apps to boost monthly income of our followers through work from home options. 3. Arrange video making contest to motivate inherent talents of our followers. Through our channel's viewership, we understand that you eagerly look forward to new videos on education reform. Therefore, we request you to subscribe the channel immediately so that you get new videos timely. Our phone number 9755039605. WhatsApp number 9340270892 and email ssgraphicdod@gmail.com. Guide software learning is mandatory for students of all engineering branches. Therefore, there are several guide training centers operating in the country. After the training, students get job in government engineering departments, engineer and architect consultation firms, mechanical workshops, etc. Science and technology are continuously changing due to new research expeditions. Now in drawing work, layout and landscaping plans of any premise can be done with linear measurements taken on Earth's surface. There is no need to take angle measurements on the field, therefore all surveying instruments, say theodolite, auto level, total station, are not required. Due to new smart geometry concept, the angle between any two given sides is computable. The guide users can make figures when linear as well as angle measurements are given to him. Therefore, guide software becomes disabled to work with new surveying techniques. It will require the measure of any of the following angles: angle ABC, BCD, CDA or DAB. To determine the angle, use of Shagun Soft app. Code S4 is necessary. The object of today's job is to plot the premise shown on computer screen by CAD software. Note that all sides dimensions are marked on the figure. No angle measurement is known. Working data for guide users. While taking field measurements, only laser meter is used to observe the distances. It implies that guide user has to plot the figure ABCD with distance measurements of 4 sides, AB, BC, CD and DA. Obviously, the guide user cannot draw the premise layout. At least one angle, say ABC, must be known. To meet the objective, guide support soft app S4 is required. The instructions to use the software are as under: invoke guide soft app S4 and process the given data, as explained below. 1. Enter the value of side AB and BC in the software. You will get the radius of the circle passing through points A, B, and C. 2. Now determine the ABC with the help of the software as stated in next slide. Extract of data processing worksheet of soft app S4 software is shown in the figure. 1. Determination of angle at B. Draw a circle of radius 8.33 units using software. Draw two chords. AB is equal to 8.74. From point B, draw an arc BC is equal to 13.1 units. It will cut the main circle at 2 points. Therefore, angle between the two chords is found is equal to 200 or 960. According to angle topology ABC, 900 1350. Therefore accepted angle 960. 2. Plotting the traverse ABCD in software. Since ABC is equal to 960 is known, traverse construction is possible. Draw AB is equal to 8.74 units. Construct angle at B is equal to 960 and make BC is equal to 13.1 units. Now draw an arc AD is equal to 20.3 units and arc CD is equal to 7.1 units to get intersection point D. Join AD and CD. Closed traverse ABCD is thus formed and shown in the figure. Through education reform videos, we bring awareness among educationists so that new job avenues may be opened. Research scholars should come forward to explore new areas of applications of all Shagunsoft apps to serve the society in best possible way. We motivate school students and teachers to make new video on education reform. GMAT Foundation is the first training center in the country where 10th pass students are trained to make their career in short term, 3 months. The candidates are given ITI certificate. Various ITI trades are 1. Math lab classes for students of any school. 2. Math lab tutor, land surveyor, land valuer, DO mechanics, GMAT soft app user, education reform video making, guide support soft app user, setting cricket academy, product market survey etc. All above training program are part-time, therefore school students after passing 10th class may join and get certificates in 5 to 6 trades while completing 12th class. The trained student can get employment in engineering organizations after passing class 10th. Later on they can improve their qualification while doing jobs and build bright career. Coaching institutes and schools are struggling for their survival due to financial crisis in corona epidemic period. They can take the franchise of Shagunsoft apps and run short-term training courses run for class 10th pass student. Dear viewers, through education reform videos you come to know new avenues to boost monthly income through work from home culture. You appreciate the videos because they are meant to improve the education standard and make student intelligent, innovative and inventive. The new knowledge is important for common people, therefore forward the video to your friends and relatives to bring awareness of new knowledge among them. Thank you.